morning, my dear students. All of you. So, students, in previous lecture, we studied the block test and worksheet number 11 in subject science. Okay. So today we study or discussing about the block number 12 in subject science. So our block name is a food and nutrition. So food and nutrition, it is a very essential materials, essential things for our survival. Okay. So today we study the lesson number 1, the nutrients in food. Means that in which types of food the which nutrients are present. Okay. So today we study the different nutrients and their different foods. But first of all, you look at on a blackboard and see here carefully. Nutrients in food. फूड में कौन से न्यूट्रिएंट्स प्रेजेंट होते हैं ये आज हम सीखने वाले हैं. फर्स्ट इज अ कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स. Example is a rice. Means that in a rice the carbohydrates are present and these carbohydrates are the nutrients. Are you understand? The nutrients first type is the carbohydrates and carbohydrates are present into rice. Then the protein. Second nutrient is the protein. So proteins are always present in the pulses. जे pulses असतात त्यांच्यामध्ये proteins नेहमी present असतात. Then the vitamins and minerals. So the vitamins and minerals are always present in the fruits like the apple, mango, pineapple, so on many fruits. So in fruits the vitamins and minerals are always present. Then the fats. The fats are present into butter, ghee, oil. Okay. The fats are present into butter, ghee, oil. So fats are very important thing. Or fats is a nutrient. Then the roughage. What is meant by roughage? Roughage means that a part of food which is not absorbed by body. Roughage means a part of food which is not absorbed by body. An example is the orange. Okay? And the water. वॉटर तर आपल्याला सगळंच पाहायला मिळतं. जेवणामध्ये वॉटर लागतं, अंघोळीला पाणी लागतं, प्रत्येक ठिकाणी पाणी लागतं. त्यामुळे त्याचं वेगळं एक्झाम्पल घ्यायची गरजच नाही आहे. So these are the nutrients. Which are the nutrients? Carbohydrates, proteins, vitamins and minerals, fats, roughage and water. These are the nutrients in food. Okay. So let's start the lesson. First of all, we look at these pictures and tell me what is in this picture. So in this picture we see that the food contains different nutrients like the carbohydrates, fats, proteins and vitamins and minerals. Okay. So let's start. Nutrients in food. Food gives us energy, help us grow and protect us from falling sick. फूड काय करतं? आपल्याला एनर्जी देतं, आपल्याला वाढवतं, आपली ग्रोथ होते फूडच्या मदतीनं आणि ते आपल्याला आजारी पडू देत नाही. The things present in food that help the body to grow and stay healthy are called the nutrients. What is called nutrients? Nutrient means the things present in food that help the body to grow and stay healthy are called nutrients. Nutrients कशाला म्हणायचं? तर असे थिंग्स जे फूडमध्ये प्रेझेंट असतात, आपली बॉडी ग्रो होण्यासाठी आपल्याला मदत करतात आणि आपल्याला हेल्दी ठेवण्याचं काम करतात, त्याला न्यूट्रिएंट्स असं म्हणतात. Are you understand what is meant by nutrients? Okay. So the different nutrients present in the food are. So let's start. We study the different nutrients like the carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins and minerals. Okay. So first is the carbohydrates. Okay. So they give us energy. Carbohydrates always gives us energy. Carbohydrates are of two types. How many types? Two types. Starch and sugar. First is a starch. Second is a sugar. So rice, wheat and potatoes are rich in starch. आता जे राईस असेल, व्हीट असेल, पोटॅटो असेल, हे काय करतात तर स्टार्च त्यांच्यामध्ये प्रेझेंट असते. कशामध्ये स्टार्च प्रेझेंट असतं? राईस, व्हीट अँड पोटॅटो. In rice, wheat and potatoes, starch is always present. Sugarcane is rich in the sugar. Already you know that the sugarcane, always we prepare the sugar from the sugarcane. Am I right? Okay. So next is the fats. So they also gives us energy to our body. Fats काय करत असतात? आपल्या बॉडीला एनर्जी देण्याचं काम करत असतात. Then butter, peanuts and ghee are rich in fats. Which things are rich in fats? Butter, peanuts and ghee are rich in the fats. Then the proteins. They help us grow. Eggs, meat, pulses and milk are rich in proteins. Proteins मध्ये काय असतं? हे प्रोटीन्स आपल्याला वाढण्यासाठी मदत करतात. But in proteins, eggs, meat, pulses and milk are rich in the proteins. Then the vitamins and minerals. So the vitamins and minerals protect our body from sickness. जे विटॅमिन्स आणि मिनरल्स असतात ते आजारपणात आपल्या बॉडीला प्रोटेक्ट करण्याचे काम करतात. फ्रूट्स अँड व्हेजिटेबल्स सच एज द बनानास, कॅरट्स अँड स्पिनॅच आर रिच इन विटॅमिन्स अँड मिनरल्स. आता काही फ्रूट्स आहेत, काही व्हेजिटेबल्स आहेत, ते काय करतात? बनाना, कॅरट, स्पिनॅच हे जे व्हेजिटेबल्स असतील, फ्रूट्स असतील, यांच्यामध्ये हे विटॅमिन्स आणि मिनरल्स भरपूर प्रमाणामध्ये प्रेझेंट असतात. Then along with these nutrients, our body also needs roughage and water to digest food properly. आताच मला या धनेशीने विचारलं की वॉटरचं एक्झाम्पल काय? Your question is a very good. So listen carefully. Along with these nutrients, या न्यूट्रिएंट्सच्या बरोबरच our body also need. आपल्या बॉडीला काय गरज असते? Needs roughage. Roughage means what? A part of food which is not absorbed by body. त्या roughage and water to digest the food. आणि हे जे वॉटर आहे ते फूड डायजेस्ट करण्यासाठी गरजेचं असतं. Then fruits and vegetables contain a lot of roughage. आणि फ्रूट्स आणि व्हेजिटेबल्स यांच्यामध्ये भरपूर असं roughage प्रेझेंट असतं. To stay healthy, we should eat all nutrients in the right amount. आणि त्यामुळे आपल्याला प्रत्येक न्यूट्रिएंट्स हे राईट अमाउंटमध्ये घेतले पाहिजे. आर यू अंडरस्टँड दिस लेसन? दिस इज अ व्हेरी इसेन्शियल इन आवर लाईफ. सो माय डियर स्टुडंट्स, टुडेज होमवर्क ऑफ सब्जेक्ट सायन्स, solve the question 1, 2, 3, 4 and send me to the WhatsApp. Okay, thank you.